Meeting and greeting.
Say hello. Hello. Ask, how are you? How are you? Respond, fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi, Tom. I'm Anna.
Smile. Smile. Hug. Hug. Wave. Wave.
Tell your partner what to do. Take turns.
Say hello. Bow. Smile. Shake hands. Wave. Say goodbye.
Dictate to your partner. Take turns.
Write smile.
Is it spelled S-M-I-L-E?
Yes, that's right.
Greet people.
Good evening, everyone.
Bow. Bow. Introduce a friend.
Fred, this is Jan.
Shake hands. Shake hands. Kiss. Kiss. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ways to greet people.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Ways to introduce yourself.
I'm Tom. My name is Tom. Hello, I'm Tom Munoz.
Pair practice. Make new conversations.
Good morning. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.